How to advertise on Fandom. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you are able to advertise on Fandom. So if you are interested, first way you must notice that Fandom has an advertising platform. It is an advertising platform. It offers advertising opportunities for brands to reach its extensive global audience. Okay, yes, it does this. For example, on this page you can see some top stories in movies, you can see some games and all of that. All of these are means of advertising platforms and means of advertising products on wiki. Okay, so the major ways of advertising on Fandom is by sharing your wiki with your friends. Yeah, especially those who share the same passion as you. And also engage with existing fandom communities related to your topic. Participate in discussions and then use that opportunity to share your wiki. So the more people check out your wiki, the more people connect with you, the more you are getting more popular, and that way you're also advertising your wiki on the Fandom platform. Then you can also collaborate with other wikis or fan sites to cross promote each other. Now, for example, if you have a common interest with Disney wiki, you can just go ahead and click on the wiki to open it up. And then once it's opened up, you can move to the right side of the screen where you can see the discuss icon. Once you click on this, you can now go ahead to type out what you feel about the wiki and all of that. And then you can also share your own wiki as a means of reference. So whoever reads your comments and check out your wiki can also reach out to you that way. So once you've done this, this is a major way. Another thing you can do, which is another major way, is by contacting Fandom for advertising inquiries. And how do you do so? Go to your Fandom homepage, scroll down to the last part of the screen, and then click on the support option or the help option. Once you're asked to state your problems, just go ahead and type you want inquiries on the advertising, and then responses will be sent to you via email, and you'll be directed on what to do. So this is how you can advertise on Fandom. It is very straightforward actually. Just reach out to the customer service or make use of the procedures that I've shown you, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good time.